Our goal is for you to find our videos helpful. So if you have any questions, please comment below. And don't forget to click subscribe. And if you'd like to be notified when our newest videos upload, click the bell.
Hey drivers, let's talk about back pain. Not necessarily a direct injury, but maybe what contributed to causing the injury or the back pain we might feel every day. So come on drivers, what do? We sit, causing our butt muscles to most likely be weak, namely our glute maximus, our glute medius, which is responsible for even weight distribution when we move.
One way to tell if you have equal weight distribution is to stand about shoulder width apart. Jeremy's going to pick up his right leg. Now you see his weight shifted. That is an indicator that he does not have equal weight distribution. He picks up his other leg. A lot more strong on that leg. So he's definitely going to have to do some work on those butt muscles.
Here are a few movements we can do to help strengthen the butt muscles.
To get started in this exercise, find a wall or a flat surface. Here we're using a fence. Extend your arm for balance only. Next, lift the inside leg and gently drop that same hip into a relaxed position. With your posted leg, squeeze your butt muscle, driving the hips back to level up against your surface. Hold the squeeze, making sure you're feeling the contraction each time. Be sure to do both sides to strengthen the butt muscles for equal weight distribution.
This next exercise we're going to show you is a funny one, but it's going to work. If you're thinking about clicking off, don't do it.
This next exercise, let's call it the sack swinger. All you need is a kettlebell and a dog leash.
Secure weight around the leash. Place leash around your waist right above your hips. Instantly, I feel relief from the traction created. Walking with the weight in front of us, we force our butt muscles to contract with each step. This causes a mind and muscle connection, reinforcing good memory for even weight distribution.